Hey guys, Jay the Disruptor wanting to jump into MVST, one of the tickers we've been playing with a lot. It's breaking through a lot of resistance today, might be on its way down, or at least curving, having a tough time with some fib levels. Let's take a look and see what we got, okay? So first thing we're going to do, I'm going to go into a bar chart and we'll take a look at what we've got. All right, so this is a bar chart. We're going to go into MVST, right, that top one there, and let's see what we got. So good solid day, up 4.5%. No complaints there. What I want to show you is I drew these fib levels here, fib retracements, and you can just kind of see that we're really just right at one of these levels here, and just hitting it. And we broke through a lot of resistance today. It was a really exciting day. But this level right here is proving a little troublesome for us, and some of us have taken some profits just to take off some of the risk and see what happens. You know, now this isn't any financial advice or anything like that. I'm only showing you how we use technical analysis with trading stocks, and so having these fib retracement levels gives us good idea as to where it's maybe a little riskier to hold, and so if we don't know if it'll go past it, that's one of the things it will do. Now what I want to do from here, sorry, pop that out. I want to look at the 1 day chart. These are about 5 minutes, right? And so what you can see is exactly that. You can see that we have, I'm trying to move my screen. It's not really wanting to do that, is it? It's holding on to that fib level. All right, so what you can see is that we were hitting that fib level, broke above it, and now we've crossed below that fib level. You can see right here some key things we want to look for are levels. And so I'm going to just take in a little ray, drop this down, and you can see right there that's pretty close to where I am. Maybe this will act as support and we won't bust through it, but you know, looks like it wants to try to do that. And now we see the candle changing. So usually a lot of times the candle will move below a point of support or resistance and then pop up and leave us a little bit of wick. So we can kind of see that. One thing I also want to talk about is, and I'm going to zoom out for this first. We'll just clean this up a little just so you can see this. I'm going to talk about a strategy that we do called 5, 8, 13. These are EMAs, and so I just want to go into here, and this is what I call my Jules entry. And so these, you see, my pink is on top. That's my 5-day EMA. The black is in the middle. That's my 8-day EMA, and the purple's on the bottom. That's my 13-day EMA, and that's what I really want. And so the thing is, if I jump into different time frames, right, you might say here, oh, well, we're no longer doing that, right? And this is going to happen with different time frames. Also, look at that 50 hitting right there where that wick is, right? That's actually pretty cool, and that can offer some really nice support. But anyway, so we see these curving down, not really doing that, but I want to show you a trick that if you drop in to a different time range, to a different time frame, and we'll do 60. I really like 60. I think that's a good one. So you can see 60 here. We're actually right here at the 5. And the reason why we want these lines here is because if we can get price to touch the 5 or even the 8 while keeping the 5, 8, and 13 all stacked properly, then we know that that's a good entry. We're kind of buying the dip, so to speak. Dips aren't really a popular topic right now with a lot of things going on, but I want to show you can even do this on, say, like the 1 day, right? And so, sorry, I meant to do this 3 month here, right? And so there you see, yeah, great uptrend, really good chart, nothing there to worry about. And you know, if we can get it down to 678, that would be good. Now, what I would like to see is, I'd like to see those. See, you've got right here, you've got this low right here, right? And we have a high and a higher high. We have a low, and we have a higher low. I want to make sure that whatever happens up here doesn't drop below that, right? I don't want to drop below that low, and I definitely don't want to get down here. So you can kind of get a sense of where you want to get in, where you want to get out. But I'm hoping that was helpful. It'd be great to know how you're going to play it. If feel free to leave a comment if you want. But cheers, y'all. Take care. Bye.